Hello friends, my name is Anand and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be discussing about the differences between test strategy and test plan. So one of the most common interview questions we will be facing as a fresher is what is the difference between a test strategy and test plan. So basically test strategy, it is a high level document, whereas test plan, it is a project level document. So test strategy, it's like a company level document. It tells us how to test the application, how testing should be done in the company. Whereas test plan tells us how we should test our application. So test strategy, it is a company level or a high level document which contains the set of guidelines that tells us how test design should be and how testing needs to be done in the company. Whereas test plan, it is a document that designs the scope of the application and approach that we have to follow for testing the application. So test strategy tells us what techniques we have to follow and what modules should be tested in our application. Whereas test plan tells us what functionalities to be tested, how those functionalities should be tested, and when these functionalities should be tested and all. So test strategy, it is a document that will be prepared by the project manager. And this test strategy can be used for multiple projects. Because the test strategy, it is a high level document, the test strategy can be used for multiple projects. Same test strategy can be used for multiple projects. On the other hand, test plan, it is a document that is prepared by the test manager. And this will be different for different projects. Every project will be having its own separate test plan document. So test strategy, it is derived from the FRS document, whereas test plan, it is derived from SRS document. So every project will be having a separate test plan, but multiple projects can have the same test strategy. And most of the scenarios, test strategy will be used as a part of a test plan. Because of this reason, people think that test strategy is a subset of test plan, but not. But it's not. So test strategy is a company level document. Test plan, it is a project level document. So test strategy prepared by the project manager, test plan prepared by the test manager. So our test plan can be changed according to our requirement for every application, for every build. Whereas test strategy cannot be updated frequently. So these are the basic differences between our test strategy and test plan. Thank you.